In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for bookkeeping 2026 full guide. First, lock down security and stay compliant. Before you handle any real transaction data, open your profile menu, go to settings, then data controls, and toggle off improve the model for everyone. That simple switch keeps your proprietary numbers and client details out of training passes. Also, treat ChatGPT as a processing assistant, not a financial advisor. It can format general ledgers, write Excel formulas, and flag entry errors, but it cannot lodge taxes, sign audits, or replace a certified public accountant. Always have a human specialist review and sign off. Next, connect real-time ledgers. If you're on a premium workspace, open the Finances tab or type @Finances, connect my accounts. Follow the secure Plaid flow to create read-only connections to your business checking, credit card, and e-commerce clearing accounts. For spreadsheet workflows, install the ChatGPT for Excel or ChatGPT for Google Sheets add-in so the model works directly in your workbook, letting you audit, reconcile, and calculate without copy-pasting between windows. For data cleansing and expense coding, move into Canvas mode. When you've got a messy CSV, press Shift plus Enter to structure your prompt and open a workspace. Try, act as an elite forensic accountant and small business bookkeeper. Analyze this uploaded raw CSV export string of uncategorized bank line transactions. Open a bookkeeping canvas. Cleanse the merchant description names to remove unnecessary tracking numbers or punctuation symbols, and reformat the entire log array into a clean 5-column general ledger markdown table displaying date, cleansed merchant, amount, debit, credit, assigned expense category, e.g. software, SaaS, office supplies, travel, utilities, and flagged anomaly status. Your screen will split with the conversation on the left and an editable ledger on the right. Now optimize inside Canvas. Highlight any row or vendor, click the Ask ChatGPT comment bubble, and type, change the expense coding category for this specific vendor line from uncategorized to software SaaS subscriptions, and verify that the transaction amount matches our recurring baseline software rules. Need automation? Ask for code right there. For formulas, write an advanced cell-referenced Excel nested formula to automatically calculate net revenue retention and gross monthly churn based on our active sheet arrays. For databases, write a clean, optimized SQL query to pull monthly revenue metrics by product and date using this exact database schema configuration. Paste database parameters. Use the bottom right tools to fix bugs in formulas or adjust length to compress long logs into an executive summary. Before you close the month, run a reconciliation check. Prompt, act as an internal financial compliance auditor. Analyze the completed general ledger table inside our active Canvas sheet. Execute a continuous reconciliation run. Identify and output a standalone summary list highlighting 1. Any duplicate charges hitting the same merchant within a 24-hour window. 2. Any unusual spikes in historical vendor pricing metrics. And 3. Any missing invoice citation gaps that do not balance out perfectly on our balance sheet summary lines. If a script scrambles mappings, open the version history clock and restore a clean draft. When everything balances, export as CSV, Excel, or PDF and pass it to your accountant. For repeatable automation, use these prompt blueprints. For data cleansing, Open a canvas and clean this uploaded raw text transaction stream. Strip out transaction index codes, isolate customer names, and format the results into a uniform CSV format. For variance commentary, act as a corporate financial analyst. Review these uploaded actuals versus planned financial budget tables. Draft a concise 150-word variance commentary, pinpointing the top 3 spending drivers. For audit prep, act as an auditor. Generate a comprehensive document retention checklist that satisfies the compliance standards for small business tax auditing. Organize by account type. And that's it. With secure connections, Canvas-powered cleansing, and rigorous checks, ChatGPT becomes a dependable assistant for your daily bookkeeping.